Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from Schoolze. For those of you who don't know what Schoolze is, it is a comprehensive and an all-in-one tool for PTA and PTO management. Now, this is what the sign-up page looks like, and we will be signing up from here and getting in. Once you're inside, you will land up on a getting started page like what you can see right now. You can fill up all the details here and make sure you've completed your setup. Now let me take you to the settings feature where as an admin, you can set up all the details for your group. You can add and update members, staff members, etc. from the admin settings here. This will help you stay updated and use the platform better. Once this is done, up next we have a membership setup. This is where you can add and invite paid or unpaid members onto the platform. There are multiple ways of inviting people in, like via sending an email or sending them a link and a QR code. You can also bulk import the members' data if you already have it ready. Now, let's take a look at the website feature that Schoolze has. When you create an account, the system automatically creates a customizable website for you that can be visited by typing this link here. You can add your own domain to the website and extensively customize it to your group's need. Now, once that is done, let's take a look at the home feed. This is very similar to any social media feeds that you might be familiar with. You can share your updates and people can like and comment on it. One very interesting feature is that you can customize your sharing and choose the segment that receives and sees your post. If you want to post these messages as announcement to your website, you can select the first website option, or our custom share option below here lets you select as many options as you like to share. This share box also is used across other features when you have to share something with members or parents. Next on the menu list, we have fundraisers. You can create 4 types of fundraisers here, and we have pre-built and pre-filled templates that can help you create a fundraiser in almost under 60 seconds. Now that's pretty fast and you should try it out. We also have events where you can create event announcements with date, time, RSVP and other details. You can even set up all the events well in advance and keep them ready on the calendar. Also, if you want to create or start a newsletter for your parent group, you can do that using Schoolze and choose to share it with a selected group or segment of your preference. Newsletters that are created on Schoolze allow parents to translate them into 90 different languages. This helps schools to become inclusive by helping parents who do not have English as their primary language. Our parents group love this feature. Next up, we have volunteer sign-ups on the list. So sign-up allow you to open volunteer sign-up forms. You can mention your requirement of things or people and get members to sign up online very easily and hassle-free. Next on the list, as you can see, we have albums. Now this is where you can upload all your events or daily media, and parents and members can access all the media and pictures from here. Now, as you can see, Schoolze also lets you have an online store, which has turned out to be a game-changing feature for most of the parent groups. You can add educational products like books or sell merchandise, event tickets, etc. very easily. There are various other features and useful things that you can do using Schoolze. Try it out to know more. Test the product with a 14-day free trial and let us know what you think. Thank you.